Sacred Geometry Web presents our unique collection of sacred geometry jewelry and much more.
Every geometry that you see here is available in our shop at sacredgeometrical.com.
It's all about symmetry. All of these forms are based on the same primary patterns. These are the ways that energy naturally organizes itself in space and time. Just like crystals that are made from these forms at the atomic level. These geometries remind us of the universal harmony that underlies all existence.
The patterns of the flower of life circles can be extended into 3 dimensions and more. Many of these forms are mathematically calculated 3-dimensional shadows of higher dimensional geometries. Others are based on traditional sacred geometry forms. They have been 3D printed, drop by drop, and then plated in gold, rose gold or rhodium. These forms intrigue the heart and mind with their beauty, partly because we intuitively perceive that their logic is higher dimensional.
They remind us that we do not see the whole of reality, and they subtly but profoundly help to bring more balance and symmetry into our lives. They make a wonderful and unique gift for absolutely any occasion.
We invite you to browse our extensive collection of jewelry, our lavishly illustrated book about sacred geometry, our clothing, and other metaphysical curios in our out-of-this-world online store at sacredgeometrical.com.